My mower's deck is rusty and it is wobbling and shaking when motor is idling. I decided to remove the deck and repair it. So disconnected the belt, removing all those fasteners, disattaching links, wires. There is a lot of those links, so I am filming to better remember how to assemble it back. Not all of them are easy to disconnect. This linkage I disconnected from the other end. And now, at last, finally, I pulled it out to the daylight. The rotor is in good shape after my previous repair. I like it. The V-belt sides are worn unevenly, so it makes wobble the deck. Here is the rotor brake. It looks okay, but I somehow managed to snap the spring. The other end of it is here, and I don't know how to connect them. Let's remove the belt. Those bolts keep the belt from falling down unintentionally. Here is the worn out belt removed. Here is the deck. The reason I removed it are those rusted through holes on it. Apparently someone repaired it earlier using fiberglass and epoxy, but for now this repair failed already. Let's clean it, remove all those old grass residues. Trying to make it even more cleaner. The old grass layer do not go away easily. The angle grinder helps a lot, but you still need to put some effort. The heat from friction makes quite pleasant smell. Now I can see the real situation and evaluate it. This part of the deck above the rotor blades is corroded badly. The blades throw the cut-off grass upwards. The moist grass sticks to the surface and causes the corrosion. This is the worst part. Rusted through, big holes, covered with epoxy and fiberglass, but failed already. Seems like quite a serious repair is ahead. I think to replace this flat, corrosion-affected surface. Here, I made a cardboard template and then made a same shape parts from 2mm steel sheet. Going to make a folded edge for joining here. Here I am folding this edge and doing this quite successfully. Goes easily. I felt quite proud of myself here. This is the part I am going to replace with a new one. I need to remove this epoxy and fiberglass layer. It comes off quite easy. I find some corrosion under it, and now I'm trying to remove the bigger part. I divide this whole big piece into smaller parts. I just pull hard and it comes off easily, just like that. Oh wow! Here is the removed part and here is the big hole. So this huge hole is going to be covered with a new part. Here I put the new blank part. I made those cuts on it for bending the edge. Every segment needs to be bent separately. First I try bending just with my fingers and it goes quite well. I get the correct shape, similar to the original, but the fingers are not made from steel, so I'm using a better tool now, more control with it, more force, and the better result. So here is the result. I get the overlapping here, so I need to cut those overlaps, but overall it's okay. So I cut off the overlaps and stitched and welded the first few seams. I used a stick welder, 2.5mm electrodes, and the welds are quite strong but not very nice, but after grinding it, it looks quite nice. The fresh part goes into its place now. I marked the edges where I need to cut the old material, and now I'm cutting it out, preparing for joining parts together. I welded the bottom part completely, but the top is just stitched together. You can see that I did not use and cut off that folded edge. Now I am getting rid and removing the last remaining epoxy repair and the other one here. The last piece of it goes off. Here I made a new piece, new part. Here it goes. Then I cut out the old material from underneath of it, welding it to its place and then making a new one. And again cutting out the old piece from the beneath of the new one. After the welding and stitching, I am now grinding the seams. And the result inside is quite satisfying, a little bit worse from outside. Though I need to say that not all seams are completed, those closer to the center are only stitched. But still a lot of rusty places left, and I need to replace them all, at least at this sector right here. I've got tired from my stick welder, so I went to my friend who's got a MIG welder. He's got more experience also. We spent more than a half a day in Audrey's garage making new parts and welding them into their places. Thank you to Audrey for his welding work. He put new seams over my old stitches and completed the welding repair. Here I'm back home again. The mower deck is robust now, no holes on it anymore. Now I need to put some work on grinding the seams outside and inside. The worst seam can be improved by a grinder. I am grinding and grinding and grinding, and you cannot hurry with it. And still some more left. The inside is still covered with surface rust and remaining of paint, so I need to remove them somehow. So I use the same grinder to remove the majority of it. Here is the view of a deck after grinding the seams, the welding seams. I am happy with the result, but the middle part is still covered with surface rust, and the outside is covered with old paint. So I'm going to completely remove the rust and the paint. Stay tuned, part 2 is coming.